You can refer to it at any time. So, in the previous class, we have discussed about zero error, types of zero error, positive zero error, negative zero error. Positive zero error is when observed value is greater than actual value, or the zero of Vernier scale meets the zero of mean scale. So how do we correct it? Correction is done by subtracting zero error, the positive zero error. Similarly, in negative zero error, we have observed value which is less than actual value. Then we say that the error in the measurement through Vernier calipers is negative. And how do we correct it? We correct it by adding the zero error, negative zero error. We add to the observed value, and then we will get the correct value. So least count in simplified terms, we can say, suppose least count of main scale we have to calculate. So we will write the value of 1 unit on the main scale and divide it by total number of division in 1 unit of main scale. So this is example number 1 of your book. In an instrument, there are 25 divisions on the Vernier scale, which have 24 divisions on the main scale. Clear? 1 centimeter on main scale is divided into 20 equal parts. So I will apply this formula, find the least count. So now I have to apply this formula. So least count on main scale. Least count
on 1 centimeter.
On main scale, it's not 120. Oh, sorry. What is it? 1 centimeter. No, it's not. Main scale. See, 1 centimeter on main scale. So 1 centimeter, 1 unit. What I've written? Value of 1 unit. 1 unit is 1 centimeter here. The number of divisions of that unit. In the 1 unit, there are 20 main divisions. 20 divisions. 20 divisions are there, na? In 1 centimeter. So we have to divide it by 20. So we will get the least count, which is equal to how much? 0.05 centimeter. Clear?
Yes,
Is it clear? Yes. Yeah, this is a different Vernier scale. It is not the same scale that we have discussed, because the scale we discussed had 10 divisions, or Vernier scale is equal to 9 divisions on main scale. Here it is different. 25 divisions on Vernier scale has 24 division on main scale. So my question is this Vernier scale with this configuration, the Vernier scale with this configuration is more accurate, will give more accurate answer, or the Vernier scale we have discussed earlier, for which 9 main scale division.
This is more accurate.
Yes, this is more accurate. See, it is, yes, correct. This is more accurate because it is further giving us further precision. See, it will be able to measure even the smaller distances than 0.1 centimeter, smaller width than 0.1 centimeter, millimeter. How? We will calculate. We have to find the least count, so we will find it. So for least count of on Vernier scale, what formula we have? Sorry, what formula we have?
So value of one main scale division upon total number of divisions on the Vernier scale.
Correct. So we have one main scale division.
5.
Value of one main scale division divided by total number of divisions on Vernier scale. Here. So here least count on main scale is 0.05 centimeter. Here.
Yes.
Yeah, we can write it as least count on main scale. Here. So it is 0.05. And how many divisions are there in Vernier scale?
25.
25. Yes, correct. Everybody getting this?
So,
understood?
Yes, sir.
So we will divide this.
Yes,
So
sir.
I'll tell you a trick. See what to do. Dividing by 25 is a bit tedious. So what we will do is we will multiply 4 in numerator and denominator. What will it become? It will become equal to 4 5s are 20. 0.2 divided by 100. Now it becomes easier. So this will be equal to 0.002 centimeter. This will be the least count. Clear? On vernier scale. Understood? Is there any confusion? This is the answer.
Sir,
Yes.
so we can remove the decimal point, and there will be 5 upon 5 2500.
Yes, yes. It will be 2500. Then we will divide with, we will cancel 5.
Yes,
So it
yes,
will
sir.
become 1 upon 500. Then we will, you see, it's bit tedious. So what I have done is I have reduced the calculation.
Yes, sir.
And it has become very easy. We do not need to, assemble zeros and then, deduct the term which are common. So all that time and work is saved. So you follow these strategies. Why I have multiplied with 4? Because I know 25 4s are 100. In denominator, if we have the terms which can be expressed in 10 raised to power any something, so it is very easier to solve them. No, we just have to adjust the decimals and the division is done. So better you keep these tricks of calculation in mind. It will save you ample of time and less errors will be there. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Next question, I'm going to click the photograph of this also.
No, we have
Yes.
to do these questions in notebook, in your notebook of physics.
No. Yeah, it's not required. Just you do it, solve it in rough copy, and then you try to solve numerical examples from the book in the copy. Okay.
So we have to solve these questions in rough notebook.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. See, it is already given in your book. These examples are already solved in your book. You better solve numerical questions given in the back exercise
Okay, sir.
in your fair copy.
Okay, sir.
I will pick 1 or 2 questions from there also, from the numerical exercise.
Sir, we have to do these questions.
Rough copy.
So example number 2, let's start. Rest of the question I'm going to type it here. Count of the vernier and second part is the reading shown in the diagram. Shown in the diagram. So better I place this line here. It is in continuation with this. Yeah. So let's solve this question. in the given figure, two scales of a vernier calipers. Two scales means main scale and vernier scale.
Vernier scale.
Find the least count of the verniers and the reading shown in the diagram. So before it first, just like example number 1, we have to calculate least count. So main scale one unit is equal to 1 centimeter. On number of divisions it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 divisions are there. So least count is what is the least count? Unit upon number of divisions. 1 upon 10.
0.10.
0.1 centimeter. Okay. So vernier calipers. So least count of vernier calipers is equal to your vernier scale will be equal to least count of main scale divided by number of divisions in vernier scale.
Vernier scale.
Yes, correct. So least count of main scale is 0.1 centimeter and number of divisions in vernier scale are how much? 1,
10.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, there are 10. So least count of vernier scale is 0.01 centimeter. It must be clear by now. This is the answer we required in first part. Yes. Let's move on to the second part. The reading shown in the diagram. See, if we watch it closely, so this is 12.1. This is 12.2. So it is somewhat ahead of 12.2. Clear? So 12.2 centimeter main scale reading are confirmed. So this distance between 1 millimeter, so 0.1 centimeter on main scale, this we have to calculate the distance or the width which is lesser than the least count of main scale. We measure it using vernier scale. So for measuring it, we have to see which division is coinciding exactly with main scale. So we see division number 7 is coinciding here. Yes, only this division is coinciding with main scale. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Watch it closely. This division is coinciding
Yes,
with.
sir.
So 7th division is coinciding. So second part, reading in the scale is equal to main scale reading added with vernier scale count. So vernier scale count means the 7th division. Clear? Multiplied by least count of vernier scale. Least count of vernier scale. Yes. So main scale reading is 12.2. 7th division is coinciding, multiplied by 0.01. Yes? Oh, sorry. 0.01. Yes or no? These many centimeters will be the answer. How many of you have confusion? Any confusion?
No confusion.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, I will repeat it again. Fine. Still, see, I will remind you again. On main scale, we have complete reading of up to 12.2. So we have written is main scale reading 12.2. So this value, which is lesser than 0.1 centimeter, we will use vernier scale reading to find it out. So vernier scale count is 7th division is coinciding, no? So we will write 7 here. This count we have already calculated for vernier scale, that is 0.01 centimeter. So we will multiply this, and after adding, we will get 12.27 centimeter. This is the answer. Answer number second.
270 centimeters.
What?
12.270 centimeters.
270. We will not write 270. Why? Because least count is 0.01, not 0.010. So there is difference between. Overall, it is same, but at accuracy level, it is different. See? So this is your answer, 12.27. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Suppose this vernier scale had a zero error of case 1. Suppose case 1, this vernier scale had a reading of error of 0.02 centimeter, positive zero error. So if you have to find the correct value, how will we find? Or zero error, positive zero error. It had. So how will we find correct value? We have just discussed, no? What we have discussed above. If there is positive zero error, for correction we subtract zero error with the observed value. So, okay, I'll write it here more clearly. Observed value minus zero error. Observed value plus zero error in case of negative error. So, yes. So
this will be minus 12 centimeter minus 0.02 centimeter.
Yes. So this is the observed value. We will subtract it. So corrected value, correct value will be 0.12.
It will be 12.25 centimeter.
Correct. Similarly, in case this has a negative zero error of 0.0,
we will add
centimeter. So negative zero error. So for correct value, what do you have to do? We will add. Yes.
We will add
yes.
0.03 to 12.27
27 plus 0.03.
Yes, sir.
So it will become?
It will be 12.30 centimeters.
Yes, correct. So this is all for today.
So we can remove zero. So
no. Don't remove it. Yes, it means the same thing. Sir. But when you will read about accuracy and precision of values in class 11th, so you will find out that these zeros, they do have some meaning. So do not remove these zeros. Okay,
sir.